In this lesson, impulse waves, the learning objective is you should know the rules of impulse waves. An impulse wave is a large price movement that appears at the beginning of the Elliott wave cycle. Impulse waves move in the direction of the main trend, reaching higher prices each time. To be considered an impulse wave, the price's upward movement must be larger than the downward movement between the upward waves. So what I'm talking about is the price does this, goes up, comes down a bit, or retraces, and then carries on moving. There are three main impulse waves rules. Rule 1. Wave 3 can never be the shortest impulse wave. In most cases, wave 3 will be the longest. If wave 3 is the shortest, then the wave count is wrong. This isn't a real world example, but it is how a perfect scenario would look like. You would have wave 1, then wave 2, then you would have the longest one being wave 3, and maybe the wave 1 being the shortest. Rule 2 is wave 3 must extend past the height of wave 1. During uptrend, wave 3 should end above the high of wave 1, like it does here, and during a downtrend, wave 3 should end below the low of wave 1. As you can see, wave 3 ends here, and wave 1 ends here. Rule 3. Wave 5 must extend past the height of wave 3. During a downtrend, you can see here, wave 5 ends below wave 3, and during uptrend, wave 5 ends above the high of wave 3. It's very important that you understand where to start the wave count. There are 4 steps to do this. Step 1. Identify support and resistance zones. Use longer term timeframes to plot your support and resistance zones. Step 2. Wait for the market to react. Without strong support and resistance zones in place, the next step is to wait for the market to react at these areas. Remember that price can either break or reverse upon hitting the zones. Step 3. Wait for a new trend to form. You should wait for a new trend to form and become validated. And with step 4, you can then mark wave 1. Because you have the confirmation that an old trend has ended and that the new one is forming.